How to download your Facebook photos all at once. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to download your Facebook photos all at once. So let's get started. First thing, simply head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner, and now scroll down and simply select this settings and privacy, and under this option just select settings. So now just tap on this see more in account center, and simply scroll down and click on your information and permission. And from over here you can see the option to download your information. Just tap on this and simply click on download information. And since we only want photos to be downloaded, we don't have to click on all of the available information, so just choose the second option, that is specific types of information. And from over here just select the photos, and if you don't find your photos option, you can simply select the live videos or this posts as well. You can simply select this, and you can even select the messages just like this. And it may be large in file, so as you can see it may take longer to download. So simply once you select all of that, just select next and simply select download to device. And from over here you have to pick a date range, and you have to pick a delivery method, like under which account or Gmail account you want the file to be received. So you just have to provide your email address, and once you do that, just tap on create files, and your files will be made ready to you within 24 hours, just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.